All right, now I have just optimized the screen layout so that it looks beautiful and quite organized. So I have the same tags and same layout. It's just I made some rectangles and put this elements in the box. So the next step is we have to use the time travel of the box, and we have to create a bar chart for that. So it's a quite similar operation we have to do. We have to write the scripts when this time is changing. We have to execute the script and move this time in our database. Now this time is dependent upon the time travel of our box. So if I show you my factory hour layout, here the box is coming, and this is the time between these two sensors. So the time travel of this box with pallets between these two sensors is what we are watching it here. Okay, so we need to push the value when the value is changing in our database. So we can also take the same values like current time travel, maximum time travel, minimum time travel, and average time travel. Okay, so similar way we will do that. So I will just maybe stop it, and now we have to make the logic. So the first step is we will make a table similar to this table. So I will go back to my database. This was conveyor speed. I will make a new table, and let's call it time travel. Okay, so the first column, if you like, we can take timestamp just like the last time, and I would prefer to make it variable, and then I will take current time, current, okay, or maybe just current. Okay, I will write current time, and let it be, oh, let's make it integer now. And then we have minimum time, minimum time, that's also integer, and maximum time, that's also integer, and average time, that's also integer. Okay, let's delete this one. So we have our table, and let's not have a primary key. Apply, and finish. So I'm not using primary key or not null. That's okay for us. So let's check this table now. Where is that? Time travel. So this is our table, and that's an empty table. All right, now we need to move the value. So what I will do is I will just copy this script because we have understood this one. So we can use the same script, copy. And okay, before I enter the script here, I need to find the query for maximum, minimum, and average time. Okay, so let's do that here now. So I will try to copy these, speed, copy. Okay, let's make a table first of all. New folder. Let's now name it as queries, so that we can differentiate between our queries and our OPC. So these are the queries, not here. Let's put that here and open this one, and now we have these three queries. I will copy it, paste it here. So this will be average time. That's okay. The query will be select average and average of current time. So current time, and from time travel table. Okay, from system dot time travel, commit, that's okay, rest is okay, fixed rate 1 millisecond, apply, and okay. So average time and maximum time, and query will be maximum current time from time travel. Commit, apply, okay. Now similarly minimum. So minimum time, current time, and time travel, commit, apply, okay. So we have 3 queries, and these queries are executing, but there are no values inside because there is no time value inside. So first of all, now let's copy the script. So I will go to scripting, copy, cancel, go to same way, property change, select this one, script editor, paste. Now first of all, I need to read the current time. So I will write here current time, and I don't need a speed. This will be minimum time, this will be maximum time, and that's average time. And now this is coming from where? I need to mention the tag. So let's mention the query tag. Tags, Siemens, conveyor, queries. This was minimum time, okay. This is defined. Similarly for maximum time, tags, Siemens, conveyor, query, maximum time. And last is our average time. Tags, Siemens, conveyor, query, average time. So 3 tags are defined, and the current time as well. So copy, or maybe I copy all, paste, change this tag here to current time. Okay, current time is coming in our PLC tag. Here, time travel. Okay. Now insert into system.timetravel. This is our name of the table. Let me confirm. Yes, it's time travel. Timestamp. Okay, now the first is our timestamp. That's fine with, yeah. And second one is current time. And next is, I think I use underscore. Yeah, minimum, maximum, and average. So first is minimum. Then maximum. And then average. 5 values. Okay, now first is the current time. Oh, first is the timestamp. Yeah, I forgot. So timestamp, and this we are reading from this label, so I will take the property, and I hope I'm using it already. Yep, label 1 text. Okay, so this is coming from here, this one. So we have timestamp, current time, minimum, maximum, average, and value. So timestamp, then current time, then minimum time, maximum time, and average time. Perfect. System update. All right, query is updated by this, and now our query is executed. Now we have to check it. So let me just play it and play my conveyor from here. Should be running. Okay, now it's running. So conveyor is running, and we have some time coming. So let's just pass 2-3 boxes. So okay, we have some error. There's a mistake in the syntax. Okay, let's stop this here. All right, I'll pause this video. I will find the error, then I'll get back to you. Okay, so I'm pausing this video. All right, I found the problems. First of all, the problem was resolved when I renamed my table. For example, if I show you, it was before underscore, underscore, and underscore, and underscore, current underscore time, minimum underscore time. So I have to remove this underscore. So it starts accepting values. And the second problem was I have to, if I select my query here, average time, here I also have to remove this. So the second problem was the data type. This was float, but I changed that to integer now. This was because I copied this speed to time. I forgot to change the data type. So I'm changing the data type. I changed the data type, and now I'm just changing this name of the column without underscore. Apply, okay. Minimum time. Commit, apply, okay. So we have the time values, and let me delete all the values first. Oh, not great. So we have the empty table, and now everything looks okay. This is going to push the values. The script is the same as before. I didn't change anything, just the underscore is gone. Rest is the same. So now we have to execute the script. To execute the script, I have to run the system. So we have the time coming when the box leaves this part, we get the time. So let's see the time if it updates. So yeah, it updates to 7.122 seconds. And here you can see that the average, maximum, and minimum is same because this is the first time. And as the boxes pass away, you will find difference in times. Now the box took minimum 6.979 time. So this is the value coming at 1 speed. So there will be not many changes. So this is the average now. So let me see if I increase the speed. Now we get some more variable values. So here you can see the minimum time is reduced, average is changed. So let's see if the value is being written in the database. Yes, you get the values. So these values are coming in milliseconds. And this will be updated every time the box passes from here. Okay. Now we got the values. This is in milliseconds. And now if we want to display these values in the SCADA screen, it's quite similar. We can have a table, and we can also have a bar chart. That is also possible. So let's take those values, and I would like to do that in the next video. It's too big for this lesson, so it's already 17 minutes. So I'll see you in the next video, and we are going to use the same way. We use this table information, make a table, and put this table into this bars. Okay, so see you soon.